Hi, my name is Ryder, and today I will be recommending Snoring Beauty. The author of this book is Bruce Hale, and the illustrator is Howard Fine. There are 41 pages in this book. You can the characters are Prince Quince, the King and Queen, the Princess, and the fairies. The settings are the castle and the town. I like this book because it is funny. You can find this book in Miss Arndt's classroom at Brooks School Elementary. My favorite part is when Bebo has to repeat the curse to Tintinius over and over.